Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can count the number of words written in a document on Word. So this is a document I've opened on Word. This is a statement of purpose and they are saying I should get like 800 words. I just wrote this for the tutorial. So I'm going to show you guys how you can count the number of words you've written so far in your Word document. So to do this, let's just come here. Let's move to review. So at the review section, let's move to word count here. You can see this. So now let's tap on it. And here we get to see the number of pages, the words, the characters, the paragraphs and everything, and the lines as well. So in this statement of purpose, they were saying the words shouldn't exceed 800 words. So I think I'm on track here. From what I'm seeing, this is 635 words, so I think I'm on track. And it's 2 pages, it's no more than 2 pages, so I think I'm on track here. So that's it on how you can check the number of words you've written so far and the number of pages you have on your Word document. So that's it for this video. Kindly do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. And if you want a tutorial on how to delete pages on Word, I have a video on that too. You can check on my channel and you're going to get that. So that's it once again. Peace.